Santa Cruz, OTB. And the race is on. Rushing up his backyard bully, the favorite. Moving up by the Real Storm Play, De Vega. Presidential running down on the inside. Score Duo and Queen is the early trailer by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Backyard Bully by Hapaland, followed by Core Duo by Darrell, and racing third by Sam 2 lengths De Vega. Storm Play, Presidential and Queen is still running at the tail of the field. Last 700, 2 runners fighting out for the lead. Backyard Bully by ahead. Core Duo down on the inside, De Vega. Then here comes Residential Storm Play. And ring the last 500 meters more to run. Backyard Bully this time by Sam 2 lengths. Queen is racing on the outside. De Vega is running by the rail as they race the final corner. Backyard Bully, Queen is on the outside, and De Vega is running down on the inside. Score Duo. Backyard Bully, Queen is on the outside, but still Backyard Bully by ahead. Queen is on the outside. Queen, Backyard Bully, Queen, Queen, Backyard Bully, and finally Queen. Backyard Bully, De Vega. Number 6, Presidential, Core Duo, and Storm Play.